If you're in the market for a high-end smartphone that won't break the bank, then look no further than the Xiaomi 13. This Chinese tech giant has once again delivered a flagship killer with an impressive set of specs and features that will leave you speechless. The Xiaomi 13 is a sleek and stylish smartphone that boasts a premium design. The device features a glass front and back with an aluminum frame that not only looks great but also provides durability. The front of the device is dominated by a large 6.36 inches OLED display with minimal bezels, providing an immersive viewing experience. The fingerprint sensor is also located under the screen, making it easy to unlock the device with a quick touch. The rear of the device features a unique camera module that houses the triple camera setup, with a sleek and minimalist design. One notable design feature of this Xiaomi 13 is its slim profile. The device measures just 7.8 millimeters thick, making it one of the thinnest flagship smartphones on the market. This slim design, combined with its lightweight build, makes the Xiaomi 13 comfortable to hold and use for extended period. The Xiaomi 13's design is a testament to the company's commitment to creating high-quality and visually appealing smartphones. Its premium materials, unique camera module, and slim profile make it stand out from the crowd, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a stylish and modern smartphone. The Xiaomi 13 boasts a stunning 6.67 inches OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The screen is HDR10+ certified, which means you can enjoy vivid colors and high contrast in all your favorite movies and TV shows. Plus, the 120Hz refresh rate ensures that everything on the screen is silky smooth and responsive. The Xiaomi 13 is equipped with a 4500 mAh battery, which is a reasonably large capacity and should last for a full day of moderate usage. Additionally, the device comes with fast 67W charging support, allowing users to quickly charge the battery when it's running low. Many reviews of the Xiaomi 13 highlight the device's impressive battery life, with some users reporting up to 2 days of use on a single charge. However, as with any device, battery life can vary depending on usage habits and settings. The Xiaomi 13 packs a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and this can be increased to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. This means you can run multiple apps and games without any lag or slowdowns. Plus, the Adreno 740 GPU delivers excellent graphics performance for all your mobile gaming needs. Gaming on the Xiaomi 13 is really smooth. You can play games like Genshin Impact, PUBG Mobile, and Call of Duty at high settings with little to no frame drops. Thermals are also really good, though prolonged gaming sessions may lead to the device getting slightly warm, but not enough to make it uncomfortable. The real star of the show is the camera system. The Xiaomi 13 features a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto. The camera can capture stunning photos and videos with excellent detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range. Plus, the 32-megapixel front-facing camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. Video capture on the main sensor can go up to 8K at 24 frames per second. The quality is great, there's plenty of detail, low noise, and excellent contrast. Overall, the Xiaomi 13 is a powerhouse of a smartphone that offers flagship-level performance at a fraction of the price. With its stunning display, powerful processor, and excellent camera system, it's hard to find any faults with this device. So, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line smartphone, the Xiaomi 13 should definitely be on your radar, with his only competitor being the Galaxy S23. If you found this video informative, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll gain access to regular updates, reviews, tutorials, and much more.